Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tender report for CJ in Louisiana on the all-new Ranger RCI 99N2. CJ got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment like you requested. If you haven't seen the review of this radio, folks, just go to my YouTube page. If you're seeing this, you're on it now, just subscribe to the channel and you can check out the review. Man, it's a really nice radio. Ranger really knocked it out of the park with this one. CJ, I got the amp switch off right now. This comes factory. 100 watt scale. Which we have turned down to about 1 watt. Turns up to about 3.5 watts. Go over and show you swing. Hello, 1, 2, audio. So we're on 50 watts. But let's turn the power on. That's what we really want to see anyways. Our power all the way down. 100 watt slug. It's set up about 5 watts all the way down. In case you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 55 all the way up. Show you average power swing. 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, audio. 100 watt slug is in the corner. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Just as lay that over in the corner. Alright, CJ, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump.